In this video, I'll show you how to use SMS to manage your Textloop Club members and to check who's a member. If you want to know more about Textloops, you can take a look at the Textloops.com website. If someone makes you an organizer of a Textloops group, you're immediately sent a text from a special Textloops number, and you are then able to manage the group by sending texts to that number. If you've created a new Textloops club yourself, you'll get this text whenever you first buy credits. It's a good idea to save this number to your contacts and call it Textloops. If your club has opted to use Textloops parental controls, you will only be able to add members or change member detail by signing in to Textloops.com. Otherwise, to add a member, just text the words add member, followed by the name you want to use for this member and the member's mobile number. Textloops will always send you a reply so you get a confirmation of what has been done. This video assumes you only have one Textloops group that you organize. If you have more than one, then you choose the group you want to work with simply by adding part of the group name to the start of the text. Now, let's look at checking your members. To get a list of all members, just text your special Textloops number with the words show members, or show mem for short. To check any individual, you can put the start of their name in and Textloops will return any matches. You can enter the start of their first name, the start of their surname, or the start of both with a space in between. To remove a member, just text the words remove member, followed by the member's name. You'll need to provide the full member's name as it's held on the system, but if you provide a short version, Textloops will list the full names that match. You can also create a subgroup via SMS and manage subgroup members via SMS. If you want to see more on that, you can watch the subgroups via SMS video on the How To Videos page on Textloops.com. Next, we'll look at changing a member's name or number. You can change a member's name or number by text using a two-step process. First, you text the words change member, followed by part of the member's name. Textloops will send you a reply which contains the current name and number held for the member. To make the change, you need to send exactly the same text back, except with the changes you want. If your phone has a copy and paste facility, you can copy the message from Textloops, paste it into a reply, and then make the changes before sending it. Or, if your phone has a forward message facility, you can select the Textloops number to forward to, then make the changes before you send. To change a member's name or number by SMS, you need to have a setting called two-step editing turned on first. You can turn it on by texting the words help change member. Don't worry about remembering the details because Textloops will remind you if you try to use this before it's been turned on. Next, there are a few bits of fine detail worth mentioning in case you come across them. Firstly, if you're adding a mobile number which uses a different international code from your own, you will need to include the international code at the start of the number. Secondly, Textloops will stop you entering two members with the same name or where one name is a shorter version of another. In this case, you'll need to add something to the name so that the members can be distinguished from each other. If there's already a member with exactly the same name, then you'll need to change the existing member's name first. You can add something suitable in brackets if you like, for example, nickname, year born, or street. You can also grant other people privileges that allow them to manage and check your club members. You can see more on this in the Privileges via SMS how-to video. Textloops is proud to be using a new patent pending system designed specifically to make text commands simple to use. Text help anytime for a list of action commands, or see the SMS tips and shortcuts video in the how-to videos on the Textloops website. You can also do everything in this video on your PC, your tablet or your smartphone by signing in to the Textloops.com website.